In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use signals in your Pocket Option account. Understanding how to follow and implement these signals can enhance your trading experience and potentially improve your outcomes. First, let's start by heading over to your Pocket Option dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll notice a variety of features and tools at your disposal. However, for today's purpose, we want to focus on the Signals tool. Take a look on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a prominent option labeled Signals. Go ahead and click on it. When we mention signals in the context of trading, we're referring to specific notifications or alerts that indicate potential buying or selling opportunities in the market. These are generated by technical analysis of past data and are designed to help you make informed trading decisions. Signals play a crucial role for traders, especially those who might not have the time or expertise to analyze the market in depth. They offer a shortcut to hopefully profitable actions by leveraging research done by professionals or automated systems. Once you've clicked Signals, direct your attention to the lower right section of the panel that opens up. You'll notice there are various options available to you, including the option to copy signal. Now, this part is critical. Carefully choose the specific signal you're interested in or the one that aligns best with your trading strategy. Clicking Copy Signal on your chosen option effectively replicates the advice or action suggested by the signal provider into your trading account. Before you proceed with copying a signal, take a moment to consider a few key tips. First, it's always beneficial to confirm the reliability of the signal provider. Conduct background checks or seek out reviews and performance history. This will give you greater confidence in the signals they offer. Additionally, while it might be tempting to copy multiple signals to maximize opportunities, try to start modestly. Begin with a few signals to see how they perform and get accustomed to how this feature works on Pocket Option. And just like that, you've successfully used the Copy Signal feature in Pocket Option. It's that easy. Remember, while signals provide valuable guidance, they are not guarantees of success, and market conditions can change rapidly. Thus, always use signals as part of a broader, well-thought-out strategy. In summary, signals are a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can enhance your trading strategy and possibly lead to better results. Logging into the dashboard, accessing the Signals section, carefully selecting and copying the appropriate signal completes the process. I hope this walkthrough helps you leverage signals effectively in your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your trading.